KIPS Quality Assurance Wing ensures the quality of the services provided by the employees and the procedures going on in the campuses. This wing inspects office and classroom activity, security, cleanliness, infrastructure maintenance and most importantly adherence to the instructions and standard operating procedures. It also ensures that the services provided to the students and their parents are up to the mark. The Quality Assurance Wing, through a set of detailed checklists, inspects each campus including schools, colleges and coaching. Afterwards they prepare a detailed report identifying any irregularities and suggesting corrective measures. This wing operates in an imperceptible manner to maintain secrecy, so that the smooth working of the organization may not be hindered during this process. Student Care and Counseling Department, SCCD, is the most important and unique department of KIPS created with a view to providing a wholesome solution, facilitation, to all stakeholders, especially students and their parents. Basic objectives of this department are: to monitor students' performance. To provide mentorship to each student as per his evaluation. To keep students and parents updated on their performance. To keep abreast all stakeholders of important and needed information. To critically analyze each student's psychological motivational needs and deliver motivational lectures and/or counseling sessions accordingly. The unprecedented growth that KIPS has attained over the period of just 25 years is phenomenal. In 1992, it started as a coaching center and now KIPS is a nationwide enterprise having 100-plus campuses and offering a wide array of services ranging from preschool for toddlers to competitive exams for graduates. Our main projects are school, college, evening coaching, foreign test preparation, entry tests, competitive exams preparation, School of Languages and publications. At present we are working in almost all major cities of Pakistan in the Punjab, KPK and Sindh. By the grace of Allah Almighty, the number of campuses is steadily ascending. KIPS takes a great deal of pride in its teachers. The battalion of our position-winning teachers is the backbone of our success edifice. Professional dedication is a hallmark of all the KIPS faculty. The selection procedure in KIPS HRM department is highly rigorous, comprising a comprehensive job test followed by a full panel interview by subject specialists. Moreover, we keep on furbishing our faculty by on-job trainings and instructional seminars. Every academic department has a seasoned HOD who efficiently heads his team of subject specialists. KIPS strongly emphasizes research culture in its faculty. As a result, we pride ourselves with one of the largest fleets of subject specialists around.